Right, I'm just doing a quick change over the brake disc. So this is the old one. This is on a Triumph 1200 Explorer. So you have these star-shaped nuts in there. They have the blue crap on. What's it called? Loctite. So what I used is this little heat gun and just warmed it up a bit, warmed the nuts up a bit, then used my X key and just slowly yanked a bit, rather than don't put it in and just do that, because you might round the head off. So you need to just work it slowly and then it'll come off. So this one's got 33,000 miles on this one. I've got front ones as well. So I'll just show you. There's the new one. So I'll just put it next to the old one so you can see what I mean. And it also slightly thinner because it's worn. So yeah, that's the old one. Doesn't feel that bad, but and that's the new one, EBC. So go back here. That'll just fit on there like that. Nice new brake disc. I've got these pads I'm going to put in, EBCs. Put them in. Like I say, I've got front ones as well. So I've just cleaned them off with a wire brush. Get all the old Loctite off them. Put a bit of Loctite on them. Pop them back in. Then give this a little clean up. And push the pistons back. And pop the new disc, the new pads in. Job's a good one. And then the new tyres and what have you. So yeah, brake disc replacement on Triumph 1200.